Imagine yourself in the Chevrolet 2019 Impala Premier. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, 11 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose Centerpoint surround sound premium system, radio data system, radio, Chevrolet infotainment system with navigation, remote CD player, single slot CD MP3 player and Sirius XM radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.